Located in the quiet village of Panoší Újezd in the Czech Republic, this small summer house began its new life as an abandoned pigsty. While the rest of the family property was sold, the owner chose to preserve this modest stone building and a small piece of the surrounding garden, believing that its memories were far too valuable to erase. Rather than replacing the old structure with a new one, the architect embraced its imperfections. What started as a simple request to add a large window gradually evolved into a complete transformation, guided by a philosophy of honesty, simplicity, and respect for the building's history. Almost every stone was carefully dismantled and rebuilt by hand. The original walls were preserved while raw concrete and exposed steel became the project's defining materials. Instead of hiding the construction, the architect celebrated it, allowing every texture and every imperfection to remain visible. One of the most striking interventions is a series of deep, concrete-framed windows that fill the compact interior with natural light. These openings extend into a continuous concrete bench that wraps around the main room, serving as seating, storage for firewood, and even part of the bathing area. Every element was designed to perform multiple functions, making the small space feel both practical and generous. The renovation was carried out with remarkable patience. For nearly 3 years, a single local mason worked closely with the architect, casting each custom concrete detail by hand. Much of the design evolved directly on the construction site rather than on drawings, allowing the building to respond naturally to its existing structure and surrounding. Despite its contemporary appearance, the house remains deeply connected to its rural origins. The exposed stone walls, rough concrete surfaces, and simple steel windows create an atmosphere that feels authentic rather than polished. Nothing appears unnecessary, and every material is allowed to express its true character. More than a renovation, this project is a story about preservation. It shows how an abandoned agricultural building can be transformed into a peaceful retreat without losing the memory of its past. Rather than competing with history, the new architecture quietly reveals it, proving that sometimes the most meaningful spaces are created not by building something new, but by giving new life to what already exists.